Hey, what's going on, everyone? So, I received a subscriber's request to show how to work Post a Truck with Amazon Relay. So, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all. So, when we go to Amazon, this is in landscape mode on my phone, so excuse me. But we're gonna go here. You're gonna see load board, bam, bam, bam. And then you're gonna submit your availability. So, what you're gonna do, work type is gonna be one way because pretty much all box trucks are one way. Round trip is pretty much for the semis. Origin, this is where you're located or where you're willing to pick up, where you're willing to start your trip at. I am in Atlanta, so I say Atlanta, Georgia. Radius, that is how far you are willing to deadhead to the facility. I usually do 25 miles because I know the Amazon facility is within me. 25 miles, and the post truck pretty much always hits within 25-mile radius because that's what I put. Destination, if you say anywhere, you're really opening up your chances for Post a Truck to hit, but this is your business, remember that, and you don't have to go anywhere you don't want to. So I can always put my location, my city, which is going to be Atlanta, and you can say radius 100 miles, you can say 50 miles. It's going to be how far away you're willing to go away from Atlanta. Excluded cities. That is going to be any cities you don't want to go to for whatever reason. And let's just say you can say Stone Mountain, Georgia. So I believe you won't, I know for a fact you won't deliver, but I believe you also will not be picking up in that city that you put as an excluded city because you don't want to go there. All right, Houston, Texas. Stone Mountain doesn't want to work. So we have a start date. So today is the 10th. We could just say the 10th, and then you're going to say whatever time you're willing to start. So you can say 23:30, which is going to be 11:30 p.m. And that is, I believe, Amazon does that. Excuse me, y'all. I believe that Amazon does military time simply so they will not people will not confuse AM with PM, and I can see that being a whole mess. So many claims be like, I thought it was AM, PM. So yeah, we just use military time. Well, Amazon uses military time, not we. I am not a part of Amazon. So we're gonna put our end date, which is gonna be tomorrow, and then you can say, let's just say, I usually say 8 a.m. Yeah, 8 a.m. And this just gives you a broad spectrum of an order to come through because let's say that the order that wants to come through is picking up at 3 a.m. but won't deliver until 7:30, won't finish till 7:30 p.m. If you have your end time set at, I'm sorry, it won't, if you say your end time is at 7 a.m., but the load finishes at, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, if your end time is set for 7 a.m., but the load is set to finish at 7:30 a.m., that load will not come through simply because your end time is earlier than the drop off time. So this gives you a broader span, but usually things are done by 7:30 a.m. unless they come late in the middle of the night. Then that's a different story. So also another tip for that, y'all, if you are setting your post truck for the middle of the night and you're going to be asleep, cancel it. Because if you don't wake up, that's a rejection and you don't want to hurt your performance score. So, and also for post truck, you don't have to have a specific performance score to get loads. You don't at all for the load board now. And honestly, post truck for me, y'all, is sometimes better than the load board a lot of times because here you're able to set your parameters of what you want and you really are able to control pretty much how much you get paid. Driver type, solo, I don't have team. And then this is a new feature that you can actually add your drivers before the post truck order comes through. It used to be once the post truck order comes through, then you assign your drivers. But now I'm going to add myself if this wants to work. Oh, let's say added. Okay, there I go. Nicholas Ramsey. Bam. So once the post truck hits, it's going to hit to my driver as well, which is me. Trim length, you can do duration or you can do distance. Minimum miles, I always say 5 miles. Maximum miles, you can say as many as you want to drive, 200 miles. Trailer status, you're going to go to required because it's required for you to have a 26-foot box truck. 26-foot box truck, bam. Because I don't have a trailer. And then price per mile minimum, how much are you willing to accept? Minimum per mile. Say $4. Please do not shoot yourself in the foot or lower the standards for anybody else because if they see that people are booking loads for $2, $3 a mile, then that's what they're going to set as a standard. But you could save $4 a mile, $5 a mile, $6 a mile, $7 a mile. I did something last week that was $7 a mile, and it hit. Payout minimum, whatever minimum you're willing to take. So let's say $400. Minimum stem time. So this is also a new feature for Postal Truck. So basically, if let's say the order is picking up at 11 p.m., right? But it is 10:30 p.m. and your minimum stem time is 1 hour. This order will not come through to you because you need at least an hour. So let's say it's 9:59 p.m. and it's picking up at 11 p.m. Then it's going to come through because, you have an hour to get to the facility. But you can choose your stem time. I say an hour because I have to go to my truck and then I have to warm it up and then I have to go to the facility. Bam. 1 hour. And you can set up from as little as 30 minutes to 2 hours. And yeah. Stops. This is how many stops you're willing to take. So 3 stops, that includes 1 pickup and 2 drop-offs. Or you can do 2 stops, 1 pickup, 1 drop-off. Whatever you want to do. Whatever floats your boat. So yeah, and then after that, you're going to, let's say 3. You're going to hit submit. And once you get to the screen, this is going to show you based on the Reload load board over the past 6 weeks, 52 trips per week would have matched your order criteria. So then you're going to hit confirm. I'm not confirming this because, no, not right now. I already have another one set for tonight. But you confirm that, bam. And if it comes through, you're going to get the order has been filled, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And so sometimes you don't even have to pay attention to this 52 trips a week. That's pretty much a lot, actually, though. But sometimes it'll say only 10 trips have matched this week or whatever, whatever, whatever. But if they're desperate for the load, it's going to come through. So yeah, y'all. So I think I pretty much covered everything. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to leave the comments. And if you want to see another video about how I work Amazon, please let me know. But y'all, I'm gonna thank you so much for checking out another video with your boy. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And until next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them. And I will see you all later.